Abuja, capital city of Nigeria, which lies in the central part of Nigeria, was created in 1976. During the 1980s, the new capital city was built and developed on the grass-covered Chukuku Hills. The Federal Capital Territory, or FCT as it is often called, is approximately 300 miles northeast of Lagos, that is 480 kilometers northeast of Lagos, which was the former capital of Nigeria until 1991. The FCT was chosen as Nigeria's new capital city because of its central location and its easy accessibility. Also, its salubrious climate, low population density, and the availability of land for future expansion. It was the first ever planned city to be built in Nigeria. Abuja lies at 1,180 feet, which is 360 meters above sea level, and has a cooler climate and less humidity than is found in Lagos. The city's central area contains the City Hall, amongst other national cultural institutes and other government-related offices. It also contains the Three-Arm Zone, which is home to the presidential villa, known as Aso Rock, the National Assembly, the Supreme Court, the National Arboretum, the National Christian Center, the National Mosque, and lots of parks like the National Children's Park and Zoo, the Millennium Park, which is the largest park in Abuja. Other areas of the city, or the Buj as the Gen Z calls it, provides housing, shopping facilities, and other urban amenities. The National Stadium, which was renamed the Moshood Abiola Stadium, is a large multi-sport arena located on the western edge of the central area. Abuja also has an international airport which is befitting for its status. It is filled with major expressways that connect the federal capital with other cities. More so, the power lines are laid on the ground cables which conduct electricity to the city, and the Shiroro Dam on the Niger River, which is southwest of Abuja, is one source of electricity to the city. Whether you call it the Buj, the FCT, or Abuja, one thing is certain, and that is Nigeria's capital city is a fast developing and rising city.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
like nothing I found. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
This is Abuja. This is still Abuja. Abuja.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I